We are running a special for the month of October on an Ulthera treatment called the chin strap, and I wanted to give you an idea of what it looks like. So I will get started on my patient so y'all can see. Along the jawline is where we first start seeing the signs of aging. The sagging in the skin where you look jowly. As you can see, the treatment was a painless procedure. It only took about 30 minutes, and you can focus on just one general area with Ulthera. You don't have to do an entire face treatment or entire neck treatment. You can focus on smaller areas, but it does take 3 to 4 months for the results to fully take effect. And it's good on any skin type.